Welcome everyone. Let's take you straight to the ground with 60 minutes of Power Pack Realty action. And you get going with your questions for us. Emails, phone numbers, SMS, all on your screen. Just write into property@ndtv.com or pick up the phone. Gaurav Pandey, Head of Research, Prop Equity, with me here to take all your buy, sell, invest questions. So don't take that big money decision without getting our solid data-backed advice. On the show today, top of the chart properties in Gurgaon and Noida, two hot markets, also smart investment options in Mumbai and Thane as we head west. Next stop will be South, Hyderabad, Bengaluru on our way to explore prime properties. And ahead of the big elections, government's all set to give a big push to the affordable housing sector. A special story on what is the UPA government strategy to capture the vote bank, with this Roti Kapda aur Makan, and especially Makan here being the focus. Mumbai, Thane, Pune. So we're going to put the spotlight on the west, and let's welcome in Satyajit Joshi with his first question. Satyajit, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm looking for a 2.5 BHK in Thane West near Ghodbunder Road. My budget is maximum around 80 lakhs. So I have shortlisted one property. It's called Sudarshan Sky Garden. It's slightly outside my budget, but I'm willing to stretch. So I want to know from you whether this is a good option for me to go, and what are the other options available in the area.
Okay, so here's the thing, and you hadn't, Satyajit, send us this project that you're talking about. Can you just spell that out again?
Yeah, it's Sudarshan Sky Garden, SUD.
All right, I got it. Irrespective, real estate is a very deep subject. We don't want to give you off-the-cuff answer, so we will get back to you on email about that particular project. But Gaurav has the rest of the market details. Thane, loads of options from really big developers. The biggest of them in Mumbai are all there.
Correct. And in his budget, I think what we'll also do is, Manisha, give him an option, which is also one option on the 3 BHK side. So, just to give that, extra thing for him. So, let me give you a snapshot of Ghodbunder market, which is your preferred location also, and then come down to our recommendations. So, Ghodbunder Road has about 20 projects, total supply about 5,778 units, available just about 1,079 units, inventory rank just around a comfort range of 24 months. Price over here is about 6,762 per square feet as a weighted average price. If you see this location, this is appreciated by about 60% in the last 2.5 years, which is about 24% on an annualized basis. Some of the most staggering returns in MMR is noticed over here. We have 3 options for you. First is a project called Haware City from Haware developer in Ghodbunder Road, trading at about 6,150 per square feet. It's on a 28-acre land parcel with 28 towers of 28 and 7 stories each. It's on a 2.5 kilometers distance from Hypercity Mall, and this is one project where actually you can get a 3 BHK option, which is something which makes your deal much more lucrative. So please go and have a look at this project. This is getting completed incidentally just around September this year, so a very fresh possession that you can get. The second option that you have is a project called Rosa Gardenia Phase 1 from Rosa Group, trading at about 6,900 per square feet, or a 2.5 acres of land parcel, has 8 towers of 16 stories each. This project again is getting completed by end of this year. So again, if you're looking at something which is getting completed within this year, this is a second option for you. Third option that we have for you is a project called Palacia from Madhav Shriji in Waghli, which is near to Ghodbunder Road, trading at about 7,250 per square feet. Total number of units over here are about 480. Units are available from the developer, and this particular project has 8 acres of land parcel of 6 towers, 16 stories each, and 3 towers of 7 stories each. So it's an interesting option for you. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is that if you're looking at a 3 BHK, you can pick up the first option, and if you're willing to wait, you can look at other options also.
All right, so lots of development happening in Thane, Ghodbunder Road, and of course some of the large developers like Lodha, Hiranandani have redefined this area. We still have some very interesting picks for you apart from the project that you've shortlisted. Go ahead, take a look at these before you take the final call. Haware City, Haware, Rosa Gardenia Phase 1 by Rosa Group, and this Palacia by Madhav Shriji. Ghodbunder Road, which connects Thane with western suburbs, one of our top picks in terms of the Mumbai market. All right, Farhan Narsin writes in, says, I'm Farhan, currently living in Ahmedabad and thinking to shift in Pune and want to buy a 3 BHK residential apartment duplex or penthouse in Kalyani Nagar, Koregaon Park, Viman Nagar area between 1 to 1.5 crore. Please suggest me good flats to shift in to Pune because I'm very confused whether I should shift there or not. Oh my God, now I would love to take a pick between Ahmedabad and Pune, even though I haven't stayed there, only visited Pune, lived in Ahmedabad. Both the cities are developing very well. Ahmedabad has great infrastructure. Pune just scores on one simple thing, weather.
Sure. I mean, frankly, relocation is a very personal choice.
Very personal. I know. We can't tell you whether you should relocate to Pune or not. But yes, weather-wise, it's a better city to live in.
Great. And we see the options that you have are really good micro markets. The Koregaon market is a great location, but will be way outside your budget. What we'll do is we'll give you some interesting options in Viman Nagar and Kalyani Nagar. And incidentally, these projects are all from good developers with good track record. So we'll first give you some data points and then our recommendations. Viman Nagar has about 7 projects, a total supply of about 1320 units. Available units would be about 226. A very good inventory overhang of just 15 months, and price over here is about 5,502 per square feet. That's very characteristic of good micro markets of Pune, low inventory overhang. The second micro market again which has this benefit is Kalyani Nagar with 4 projects, a total supply of just 258 units, available just about 84 units, inventory overhang again at a good 12 months. Weighted average price of this micro market is about 9,958 per square feet. If you see, the price appreciation again has been quite significant in the last 2.5 years. Viman Nagar has appreciated by about 47% and Kalyani Nagar by about 39%. We have 3 options for you. First is a project called Rohan Mithila from Rohan Builders, which is trading at 2 levels. The under construction projects are about 5,600 rupees a square feet. The completed option is about 6,100 rupees a square feet. Units are available from the developer. The complete option, if you go and have a look, will give you a sense of the quality and specifications. And it is actually, the phase 1 is already seeing people living out there. So you can surely look at this one. The second option that we have for you is again in Viman Nagar, a project called Arman from Mandike Builder, trading at about 6,000 rupees a square feet. Total number of units would be about 30, which are launched. There are 2 kinds of unit sizes. 3 BHK would be about 1,600 square feet, 2 BHK about 1,138 square feet. There are units available from the developer. One thing what you need to keep at the back of your mind for this project is that this developer has approval till 5 floors and there are options available on the ground to 2nd floor, which is where we believe you should pick up an option. The third recommendation that we have for you is a project called F Residences from Brahma Corp in Kalyani Nagar, trading at about 5,900 rupees a square feet. Units are available from the developer and it's getting completed somewhere around 2015. There are good schools, multiplex and IT park in the vicinity. So all recommendations that we are giving you are around 1.2 crores at max, so you can pick any one of them.